In this video, I will show you a very simple and easy method that you can use to connect Claude to WordPress. There are several methods like, people are showing very complicated like plugins installation, and then you do configuration, and then you attach with your, Claude account, a lot of things, a lot of steps, but I will explain very simple and easy method. You can use that method for this purpose. So simple, you can see now here one of my websites is open. So here you can see, for instance, if we go to plugin and for example, like I want to install here WPCode plugin. Like this, you can see, for example, this is my search console, and here I have added my website. But now, for example, this is HTML tag and I want to paste it in the header section. So what I will do here, you can install this Claude extension. So you can see it is here, Claude extension. So you can search here like Claude Chrome extension, and you can navigate to this URL. Here you can see it is already installed, or you can also see like here Claude for Chrome. So you can also direct from their website, you can see and you can add to Chrome from here. So once it added, you will see here remove from Chrome. But if you have not added, so you just click on add to Chrome. So once it is added, now I want to see paste here. So what I will do, I will tell Claude to do this task. It is now asking me for login. So I will log in. Just give me 1 minute. I will authorize it. So you can see here, you can even change the model like Opus 5, Opus 4.8, it's up to you. And ask before acting, like before doing any complicated task, it asks you like for permission. So you can enable it or act without asking. So Claude works without pausing for approval. Otherwise, it pauses for each step and it asks you like, I'm going to this step, but you can do this one if you want. Now here, for instance, now let me explain everything. Like I will copy the code, and I want to configure Google Search Console in my website dashboard, WordPress dashboard. Here is the HTML tag. Here is the HTML tag. Just a minute. Please paste this tag using in head section using WPCode insert headers and footers plugin. Okay, so now press enter. So you can see now it has started, and I have left the mouse. You can see even a orange outline in my browser, like in the inner screen, and you can see now, see WPCode global header and footer, and see it is adding here. Adding verification tag to header section. See now. reviewing existing header content. It is reviewing now existing header content. See, mouse is automatically, cursor is automatically working. All things you can see it is doing automatically. Inserting meta tag into header text area. This is one example I showed you. Otherwise, very complicated task you can do here, with the Claude. So now no need to hire an employee and you are paying him like, hundreds of bucks for the complicated task like, Stripe configuration or a lot of complicated, see, it has been added, complicated, configurations. There are a lot of things very complicated in WordPress, especially, related to WooCommerce and related to all other things. So these complicated tasks now you can do here in your website using the Claude Chrome extension. Just make sure you should have the pro version of your Claude, and you can do a lot of tasks. Honestly speaking, now I do a lot of things for my clients using Claude Chrome extension, and you can see now in this way, no need to give your credentials to uh, anyone, even to Claude, and Claude has access to your Chrome. Now you can see the orange border is left, and now you can see done. The Google Search Console verification meta tag has been successfully added and saved. Now here's what I did. Claude is saying that navigated to WPCode global, header and footer, and added your verification tag. See, your existing AdSense script untouched. I added before that. Now see, if I go here and verify, sorry, ownership verified. See, so even any complicated task you can do here. So this is perfect. Honestly speaking, Claude can do a lot of things now, even in the WordPress development. Even I have done a lot of things. I will, inshallah, I will make videos about that. Like you can generate a prompt for your WordPress website using Claude. And then here, like we can install locally WordPress or even online. Then here we can give the prompt to Claude, and Claude will make entire website. Honestly speaking, I have done a lot. Entire website in your Elementor Pro WordPress using that prompt. You will, there is no need to touch, mouse, keyboard, you are spending time. You can give prompt and you can go for a tea, go for a dinner, and once you come back, so the website is done. So this is fantastic, fabulous, incredible, professional, amazing. So please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends so they can learn these skills, they can increase their professional skills. Also press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.